Can morality exist without God? Imagine a world where there are no laws, no judges, and no consequences. Would stealing suddenly become right? Would murder become acceptable? Most people immediately say no. But why? Who taught us that kindness is better than cruelty? Where do we admire honesty and condemn betrayal? Why does almost every culture praise justice? Even when people disagree about many other things, some people say morality is created by society. But societies have changed throughout history. There was a time when slavery was legal in many parts of the world. There were societies where innocent people were killed simply because of their race or beliefs. If society alone decides morality, then was slavery good when society approved it? Most of us would say no. That means we believe there is a standard higher than society itself. The Quran reminds us that justice is not something humans invented. Allah says, indeed, Allah commands justice, excellence, and generosity to relatives, and He forbids immorality, wrongdoings, and oppression. This verse does not say that people create justice, it says that Allah commands it. Our conscience often tells us that something is wrong even when nobody is watching. Where does that voice come from? Islam teaches that it is part of our fitrah, the natural moral awareness placed within every human being. But our desires, culture, and personal interest can cloud that awareness. That is why divine guidance is needed, not to create morality from nothing, but to guide and correct us. So perhaps the real question is, can people make moral choices? Of course they can. The deeper question is, who has the authority to define what is ultimately right and wrong? In the next episode, we will ask another timeless question: if God exists, why is there suffering in the world? Until then, keep asking, because sincere questions are not the enemy of faith, they are often the beginning of it. Peace be with you. Subscribe my your channel.